Hey everyone, it's Alison Heikkila. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Dear Santa Holiday Card Making Kit from Spellbinders. Their card making kits are always packed with awesome supplies that you can use from year to year if you don't use them up the first year. I'm telling you, there is a ton of fabulous things in their kits, and I always get excited to see what's inside. So let's do that right now. You can see that this has a very whimsical feel to it. Got this fun Harlequin design here. I really love the back. Dear Santa, define good. I think it's so cute. I can't wait to show you what's in here. I can't wait to see what's in here because I haven't seen all of it yet either. So here is the kits. I'm going to open this up. Look at all of these goodies in here. I'm going to move this off to the side because it's kind of in the way of my camera. We're going to start off with the basics, but it's a good basic. We've got a bundle of card bases with this fabulous textured cardstock and then envelopes to go with it. I personally like to use a bit of a heavier cardstock weight for my card bases. So what I like to do is I cut these down in half and I'll mount these onto my heavier weight card bases so that you still have that fabulous texture. Can you see that? It's like a canvas or a linen type of texture. And then you still get the effect, but you can make the weight a little heavier if you so desire. But you can also just use them as is. It's up to you. So that's to get started, and that's very exciting. Move this tissue paper. We also have some foam tape. Right here we've got some foam squares, but just be sure that you use the negative space too, because that's a lot of extra foam right there. And then we have some double-sided adhesive to get you going with sticking all of your ephemera down. I probably should have showed you this first, but here is the Dear Santa contents. So there's 20 A2 cards and envelopes, 8 meters of adhesive tape, 40 foam squares, 18 pieces of cardstock. Now, if you are familiar with Spellbinders cardstock, you know that that is a really great quality of cardstock. And then all of these other wonderful things inside. And then you can get some project ideas if you scan this QR code with your smartphone. So let's take a look. I'm very excited. Okay. Look at these gems. Oh my goodness. These are like super faceted. I'm sorry about the glare from my light, but I want you to see the sparkle and shimmer. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And that is like the most beautiful cherry red. We've got this off-white kind of pearly color and then more glitter here. Look at that. Oh, these are so pretty. Love those. Nice big set of those. All right, I always get excited when I get some ephemera like this. This is what it looks like on the back. We'll open this up and take a look at a few of these pieces. Let's see. There's duplicates of all of them. So you can see here, there's 2. He's making a list. This is great for a scrapbooker. Love this. The 1225 little doodads that you can add to make your cards even more interesting than they already are. Peace, love, joy, and everything nice. Love this tag with the music notes on it. A little bit of gold foiling there. Look at this little reindeer. I love like nostalgic Christmas imagery like this. So fun. Some more gold foiling. We have a 25 here. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. All kinds of merry on the nice list. Again, great for a scrapbooker. You can just attach this to a photo and it's perfect. Look at this one. Welcome to the North Pole. See all of that gold foiling on there? This is so nice. I love all of these sentiments. Santa Claus is coming to town. This really, I can really see a scrapbooker having a great time with this. So although this is meant for card makers, don't think that any other paper crafter can be left out. Like, you can all be a part of this kit and get a lot of use out of it. Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness. And then we've got some fun little strips here. You make life merrier, delivering holiday cheer. So great. Okay, I don't want to show you all of them because you know, you gotta have some surprises for yourself, right? So I'm gonna move this off to the side and try not to make a mess because there's so much there. Now we have more die cut ephemera. This is more imagery rather than sentiments. The other one was more sentiment heavy. Again, we'll pull out a few of these. Oh my goodness, look at this puppy. Oh my gosh, okay. Look at that sweet little puppy in a sweater and scarf. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. Love that. We've got an ornament here with gold foiling on it. I saw Santa in here. I think Santa's still tucked inside. We've got a hat. These are those poppers. I forget what they're called, but you kind of pull them apart and there's like a prize inside. Those are fun. Oh, slay queen. I love that. Oh my goodness. That's so good. Of course, you know, it's a play on words. It could also just be slay queen as opposed to like Santa is the slay king. Maybe you're the slay queen. So fun. I love this cardinal. Cardinals are very special to me. My dad comes to me in cardinals. We've got cookies. These are great. These are really, oh, look at the size of, look at how big this tree is, you guys. That's huge. Wow, that's a great tree. Okay, again, I don't want to show you everything. I want to leave some of it as a surprise to you, for you. Here's Santa. All right, let me clean this up and we'll move on to the next batch of goodies. Next up, we have some chipboard frames and corners. These are a lot of fun. Just pull out a few of them here. Look at this snowflake. Again, I just see this being perfect for scrapbooker. Pop this centerpiece out like so. Don't forget to take out your corners here, your photo corners, and then you can just put a photo here, right? Wouldn't that be nice? This would be really cute for a baby announcement, like a winter baby, such as moi. I was a winter baby. But yeah, it's very scrapbookery to me, but of course you can make really fun cards with this as well. All of these components pop out, which is really a lot of fun. So yeah, you have a lot of pieces here that you can play with. And they're nice and thick. And you've got that double-sided adhesive that you can use to attach, you know, your pieces together. Here we have some puffy stickers. There's 2 sheets. This is very sentiment heavy, but you've also got little bits and baubles that you can use on thing. We got merry, joyful hearts, happy holidays. Ooh, you have a whole alphabet back here and then some sub-sentiments. That's really cool. And they're puffy. So they're not hard like chipboard. They're kind of squishy. Look, can you see that? Can you see it squishing? These are great. I love those. I love the way this is written. So pretty. Okay, next up we have, there's no label on this one, but these are chipboard and they're self-adhesive. So they're self-adhesive chipboard stickers. Lots of fun, nostalgic imagery here. I love this gift. The ornament, it reminds me of those ornaments that have the bubbles in them when you plug them in. I forget what they're called right now, but those are great. Santa's here. Maybe you can have him juggling like the gumdrops or something, right? Some more sentiments. We have believe. May the magic of Christmas fill every corner of your heart and home. So fun. I like the naughty. Jingle all the way. So fun, right? So these are all chipboard. Then we have 6x6 printed paper. I love the patterns that Spellbinders uses on their papers. I don't know if you've ever gotten any of them before. Not even just for the holidays, but they're everyday paper pads as well. They're just so much fun. They always have a really nice assortment of patterns. Isn't that pretty? I don't want to show you all of them. Gotta leave a little bit of mystery for you. Those are great. 40 sheets and 20 designs. 20, that's a lot. That's a lot of patterns. Okay, and last but not least, in this kit, we have some amazing Spellbinders cardstock. I always make sure that I keep this out of the box because I use it for other projects, not just this kit. You can see that there is some silver foiled paper here, some gold, and then we have some wonderful colors. Look at these colors. Hold on. Let's see if I can fan them out. I love this green. Some nice shades of blue, reds, pink, nice cream color, and this sort of gingerbready color. This is a great assortment of colors, and you can absolutely use these all year long if you don't use it all up in this card kit. So much fun. Now, besides the Dear Santa kit that with everything that's in that box, there are many items that come a la carte as well. So you can just order what you're interested in. It doesn't even have to be overtly holiday related. Like, for example, this amazing 3D embossing folder. This is called Diamond Blocks. You can see I just wrote it down here with a Posca pen. You can also use a label maker. I just decided to use my Posca, but this is such a cool... I'm a sucker for a good Harlequin, guys. I am. So this is, of course, great for the holidays, but it's also great for pretty much anything else. This would be great for masculine cards. So this is one of those a la carte items that I decided to pick up, and I'm really excited to use it. In addition, got a couple more things to show you. We've got this Better Press die and plate set. This is the holiday banner greetings. Excuse me. This is the press and foil. We don't just call them Better Press plates anymore because you can use them with your hot foil machines as well. So you press all of these images in one go, and then you die cut all of the images in one go. So we have delivering warm hugs, making spirits bright, sending cheer, oh what fun. There's a whole bunch of really great holiday sayings here, and it's going to be so nice to be able to make so many so quickly. And then you can just save them. I like to store them in a binder with, what are they, baseball card pockets, and they just sit there until I need them. And then I like to just make a whole bunch at once, and then I have plenty of them at the ready. So that's the holiday banner greetings. Then we have this die set. I don't have the packaging because they haven't sent me the packaging, but you will have the packaging with yours. I just get my things early before they put them in packages. So we've got a whole bunch of sentiments here, and they're shadow dies. We have merry, holidays, greetings, seasons, Christmas, and happy. This is called Merry Greetings. And I love the font. It's dainty, but it's got that retro feel to it, which I absolutely love. Next, I have the Happy Post envelope. And we've got this piece here with this piece makes the envelope. You can have the flap closed like so if you want to, but here you could have it open. You've got a letter with some faux handwriting on it if you want to use that. You've got a couple of faux wax seals. You've even got a little piece of twine that you can pop on there like so. So this is a really sweet little die set called Happy Post Envelope. And I think it's going to complement the Santa kit so perfectly. And then I have one more thing to show you that I got from the a la carte goodies from this collection. And this is the washi tape postage stamps. There's 11 yards on here with 11 designs. So you can use this on your cards themselves. You can also use this on your scrapbook pages. You can use this to seal your envelopes if you want to. Look at how cute this is. And they have that cut in them to make them really look like postage stamps. So I would probably use a scissor to cut this so that I preserve that funky edge. But how cute are all of these designs? I'll show you the package. You can actually see them pretty well on there. And that's not even all of them. Isn't that fun? I had to get this. I just thought it was too cute. And I love a good washi tape. So that is everything that I have gotten from Spellbinders for this release. Again, the Dear Santa kit is chock full of fantastic products that Honestly, you're going to be able to get so many projects made with just this kit, but then adding on some of these other goodies will really make it really make them special. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I think that next week I'll be making some cards on video. See what happens. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you usually get the Spellbinders holiday card kit? What do you think of this one? I happen to love the whimsy of this one. It's fun and cheerful, and man, that's what we need right now. So that's it for me. I'll be back real soon with another video. Be well, stay safe. Peace out.